For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The Supreme Court will hear a plea seeking to change India's name to Bharat. The petition seeks the centre to amend the constitution and asks it to replace the word India with Bharat in Article 1 of the constitution. The Article 1 of Constitution refers the country with both India and Bharat. The petitioners seek that the country should be referred to only as Bharat. Article 1 of the Constitution names the country and defines territories of the country. Changing the name justifies hard fight of freedom fighters. The petition says that changing name of the country from India to Bharat will justify the tough struggle of freedom fighters.
People should stop using India. It will ensure citizens of country get over the colonial past and instill a sense of pride in our nationality. It will also justify the hard-fought freedom of our freedom fighters.
The petitioner has claimed that the country has several names on different documents. The petitioner pointed out that Aadhaar card, driving license, passports have different names for the nation.
There are different names on different documents. The Aadhaar card says Bharat Sarkar, driving license says Union of India, the Republic of India on passports, creating confusion. There should be uniformity and one should know the name of the nation. This is the time for unity.
The hearing was slated on Tuesday and was postponed as the Chief Justice S.A. Bobde, who was slated to hear the case, was on leave. Counsel of the petitioner advocate Ashwin Vaish argued that the name India was derived from the Greek word indica. The name India has been sought to be excluded. It has not been derived from within India. It is a name of Greek origin derived from the word indica. The petitioner also claimed that several cities in the country have changed their names to identify with Indian ethos. The time had come to recognize the country by her original and authentic name, which is Bharat, particularly considering that many cities within the country have seen a name change to identify with the Indian ethos. The Supreme Court had previously refused to hear a PIL filed to change the name of the country. The Supreme Court had said that India is already called Bharat in the Constitution. Chief Justice S.A. Bobde and A.S. Bopanna questioned petitioner Nama, asking him why he has filed a petition when the constitution itself says that India is called Bharat. In March 2016, the Supreme Court had rejected a petition submitted seeking to change the name of the country from India to Bharat. While hearing the petition, Justices T.S. Thakur and U.U. Lalit had said that they have better cases to deal with than dealing with emotional cases. The justices had also said that nobody was stopping people from calling the country Bharat.